here with a nice little striped bass from the Annapolis Valley that I caught with my boys today, and we're just going to get it filleted. It's been sitting on some ice for a little bit. Now it's ready to get cut up, so we're just going to take a few minutes and get the fillets off of it. I'm just cutting down the back here. We're going to slide the knife right through, keeping along the backbone. Try and keep as much of the meat as possible. And we're going to go up and around the rib bones. Cut through the pin bones. You gotta watch those bones on the back there, they get you sometimes. And the dorsal fin. And there's the rib bones we're gonna go around. You can actually cut through those too, but the bigger fish like this, sometimes I find it easier just to cut down around them. And then we're going to flip it over, and I like to trim a bit of the red fat out of the striper. It's a little bit strong. Some people enjoy that, but I like pin bones are still through here, so we're just going to trim those out. A little cheek, and I probably could have bled this fish a little bit better. You can see some blood still coming out of it there. We've got a little exciting. We caught it on my son Hudson's 6-year-old. He caught it on his little tiny bass rod, so it was a lot of fun. Trying to go up as close to the head as I can. All the meat that we possibly can. Just on the top edge of these fins. You get a scale, so see here sticking to your knife. I like to wipe those off. When I get down closer, I go up above that backbone. Move your hand out of the way. And if you find you miss a little wee bit of meat in there, you can trim some of that out with your knife.
Those out. Fillet off of there.
I always lay my fish just on top of the skin there so I don't touch the slime and the stuff that's already on the board. I know this isn't a traditional fillet knife, but I find with these bigger fish, this one actually is a little bit firmer and I can get through and around the bones a little bit easier. It's whatever you get comfortable using. Sometimes what I like to do is I'll cut it right down the center of the fillet because that bloodline runs down the middle. Cut it into nice portion size pieces. Happy cooking!